Hi, today I'm going to show you how to connect your Porkbun domain to Bolt.new. So, in order to do this, first of all, navigate to Bolt.new and simply create a project. After creating a project, you'll have to simply navigate to your project and you will see an interface that will look something like this. So this is your chat interface and your project preview. Now, simply click on this gear icon just at the right of this database icon. Now, choose server functions. Here, you're going to choose domains and hosting. Now, in this section, you'll have to basically add your Porkbun domains. So, simply click on connect your domain option. Now you'll have to simply enter your Porkbun domain name and click verify and click add domain after you see the confirmation that Bolt recognizes the domain as already registered. Now you'll have to simply go to porkbun.com, navigate to account and navigate to domain management and simply select the domain that you want to connect, click edit DNS records and to open your DNS settings panel, now simply click add record and choose to add a CNAME and host, answer value and TTL. Save your changes and this will tell Porkbun to point your www subdomain to Bolt.new. After you do this, go back to Bolt.new project, navigate to project settings and navigate to domain and add your custom domain just right here and click verify. It may take 10 to 15 minutes for DNS to propagate. Once verified, visit your new domain in a browser and your Bolt.new site should now load instantly and branded with your custom Porkbun URL. And that's it. Your Porkbun domain is now successfully connected to Bolt.new. If you found this guide helpful, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up and thanks for watching.